everyone, welcome back to the vlog channel. So today, me and Matty Boo, you can't even see him, are actually really excited because we're going to the Isle of Wight and we're literally at the ferry right now. We're just like waiting to get on. We're going literally just for one day to see Matt's dad, because obviously you guys might know that Matt's dad lives on the Isle of Wight, and it's such a beautiful day today, so we thought we might as well, you know, make the most of it and just have a little trip, have a little day trip away. And we're really excited actually because Matt's dad has like a farm, so he's got like sheep, and they're like baby sheep that were just born, and I'm just like, oh my god, because you guys know when I went to Wales I really wanted to pet all the sheep but I couldn't, so I'm really excited that I actually like get to touch sheep because they're so cute. They were literally just born like a week ago and I'm like, oh, can't wait. So we just got on the ferry and we are so tired, aren't we? Like,
yeah, we just went to bed at 2 in the morning.
And then we had to get up at like 8, right?
Yeah, yesterday we were working on our garage for RX Home.
But basically we turned our garage into a stock room for our business.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think we've said that anywhere in the vlogs. So yeah, we've been working on that really hard, and actually we'll show you guys what delivery came yesterday. So let's have a little flashback to the past. And here it is!
It is massive, isn't it?
Oh my god, there's so many boxes. There's like 70 something boxes,
78
right?
or 70 something boxes.
Oh my god, there's like 3 pallets. How much does this all weigh together?
Half a ton.
Half a ton. How are we going to get this in the garage? Oh my god.
Well, thanks to my secret little doorway I built for the garage.
Built a little doorway that we can like shovel the boxes through. But oh my god, this is so exciting.
Right, we better start getting it in.
Yeah. And I present to you Dobby's home.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my crib.
Hang on, I can't see you. It's really dark. Okay, there we go.
Right.
So this is the door.
Yeah.
This is where we kind of keep like our bikes and pressure washer just in front. And Matt has like constructed this like whole thing where you can actually keep the garage door open, but it keeps it insulated because this is our stock room. Ta-da!
Basically, we wanted to use the garage door still for our bikes, but we wanted to keep it warm in here, so the door
insulates it.
This is all insulated, and this, when the garage door's closed, this folds back up.
Yeah.
So
this is it. This is it. We're getting carpet here as well soon, aren't we?
Yep.
And yeah, this is a little bit of the stock as well. We're going to have way more shelves over here and probably a lot more like all over here, but this is kind of just the beginning, isn't it?
Alright, we've got to start bringing it in.
Yeah. That is a lot of boxes. Opening up a store is hard work, but anyways, let's go back to the future. Okay, so we have made it off the ferry and we are now at Tapnell Farm, which is on the Isle of Wight, and there's literally so much to do here. Like, there's like a zip line, which Chris and Matt are now gonna go on. There he goes! So we're gonna go on some pedal go-karts right now. We're gonna have a little race, because you know, that's just in our nature. I'm gonna be taking this one. This is my ride. I think we should all go on single so we can all race.
I think we can all
let's do it. Ah! Are you racing? This is so difficult to do one-handed. Yeah, boy!
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me.
Okay, so we're now going on this trampoline, which is so weird. It's like a big dome. What the hell? This is so weird. No, don't double bounce me. Dude, I'm gonna fall off. You can do it. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
That has proper shook my brain. You having fun there?
Yeah.
Oh god. Okay, that was so much fun, wasn't
This
it?
place is pretty cool.
Yeah, and it wasn't actually that expensive to like get into. It was only like £8 to get into.
Yeah, it's not bad.
To all these things, but we're walking over to the Wallaby Walkabout, where you actually get to pet wallabies if they come up to you. Wait, how do you open this? There you go. Oh my god, there's one right there.
They're so cute. Oh my god.
Like big dogs, but small kangaroos.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
Look. Hey, buddy. Wanna come for strokies?
He's just chilling. He's just having some.
They were doing a feeding session earlier, but we missed it. But then they like came up to you so close.
Look at him. He's got the life.
Yeah, he's just chilling. That one's scratching his ear.
Oh, I wish we had like
so
some
cute.
food.
I know.
How do you call them? Like,
I don't know. What kind of noises would they make?
I know how to call a cat.
walk.
I know I'm quite good at calling cats over
Yeah.
and horses, but
Well, they jump. These pets. Why do I keep saying pets? These
maybe
animals.
because you want them. So.
I know, because I want them. Yeah, these animals jump on like two legs like kangaroos, but they do walk on all fours sometimes when they move slowly, and it looks so weird because their body is so unproportional. I just want to touch it. We're just in the animal section right now, and there's so many cute animals.
I wish.
Well, I wish they were pets. Basically,
These ones are so noisy.
They are just going. I'm talking to them. I think we're all talking to each other.
This one.
Hello, buddy.
He's got a lot to say, hasn't he?
Yeah. I think we're having a conversation over here.
So?
Buddy. Oh, it's so sad that they get turned into pigs.
No, these ones don't.
I hope. Well, yeah, these ones don't, but pigs in general do, and it makes me so sad.
Yeah, well, these ones are going to be happy.
Oh my god.
They're actually reacting to it.
I can't do that. You actually did do it really well. They all woke up as you started doing it. This one is so cute.
Look at him.
He's so adorable. Oh my god, look at his little mouth. He's just going,
What's he chewing on?
I don't know, but it's so funny the way they chew. They literally go like this. They go like side to side.
He does.
I want to stroke him. I want to give him a kiss.
Can I give him a little stroke?
Oh. He's like, why are you touching me?
Don't touch me, I'm too bougie.
I'm bougie, don't touch me.
You are allowed to like stroke him, right?
Yeah, you are allowed to, yeah. But I'm a bit scared though. I've never like touched a goat, so should I?
Go on, he's actually really.
Alright,
he's not
I'll
even
give him a little
bothered.
stroke. Oh my god, I'm touching him.
He's soft, isn't he?
Yeah, he's so cute. I love his hairdo. He's got a little like mohawk at the top.
Looks good.
Okay, so we are now at Matt's dad's house. I don't actually know if you'll be able to hear us over the engine in the back, which
Hopefully.
is so loud. But basically, we're in a buggy.
We're in a buggy. Yeah. This is it.
The ride.
And we've made a little racetrack.
Yeah.
With the lawnmower, we cut the grass and we made a track, which is really cool.
It is really difficult though. Some of the turns are like really hard to do. But
Yeah.
anyways, we're gonna go for a ride. So let's go. We're not gonna make that turn. All the grass is going to my eyes. Oh my god! Ride the fence! Okay, slow!
Oh, we spun out.
Oh my god!
recording.
Oh, nice.
I can't even see any damage.
Oh, nice. Well, did it? It must have hit something, right?
It hit something, yeah, because I saw it. Like I took my mask off and it was still flying in the air.
Jesus. I think it must have hit the back post just behind my head.
I think it's hit the GoPro because I didn't have it tilted like that. Okay, this side.
That was the last time I saw it. Like, I don't know, the last time I saw it was there. I'm pretty sure. I will have to watch the video back. Maybe you were there and maybe it quickly went. I don't know, I'm pretty sure.
Actually, no, I think it did. Look, is that what's
I don't know. This is the outside. It couldn't have hit. There is nothing, not even a scuff.
Oh my god, I can't believe you almost killed Matt with your drone.
I know, I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
I was driven into my drone. I'm pretty sure.
That's what actually happened.
Yeah.
I drove it. No, you were coming straight at me and the drone came through.
Somehow it came through here.
And I was.
It hit something.
Oh
and I
my
just said,
God.
oh no. And literally I took off my goggles and I just see my drone just like looping through the I was like, oh.
Really? How is it not like...
There isn't a single scratch on it.
But can I
think
just-
all that happened is the camera just did that.
Can I just say, like, when it came through, if it hit my
And
face.
the amount of speed that goes at as well.
Like, I mean,
Jeez, you could
I'd
have...
have a messed up face, I think.
Yeah.
I was just
You could've
thinking of the
had
great
an item.
footage.
Oh,
I did it
really?
all for the footage.
What about my boyfriend's face?
Never mind your boyfriend's face.
Worth the risk.